In a lush green meadow, a flock of sheep lived happily under the care of their shepherd. Among them was a curious little sheep named Woolly, who loved to explore. Deep in the dark forest, a cunning wolf named Fang watched the sheep. "If I can trick one of them, I'll have a feast," he whispered to himself. One afternoon, Woolly wandered away from the flock, following a butterfly. He didn't notice that he was getting closer to the forest's edge. Fang saw Woolly alone and put on a friendly face. "Hello, little one," he said sweetly. "Why don't you come with me? I know a secret field with the greenest grass." Woolly hesitated. "My mother says never to talk to strangers," he said. But the wolf laughed. "Oh, I'm not a stranger. I'm a friend." Just as Woolly was about to follow Fang, an old wise sheep named Bella saw them. She quickly whispered a plan to the other sheep. Bella ran to the shepherd, bleating loudly. The other sheep joined in, creating a commotion. The shepherd grabbed his staff and rushed toward the noise. The wolf grew impatient. "Come on, little one, we must hurry," he urged. But Woolly started to feel uneasy. Suddenly, the entire flock appeared, stomping their hooves and making a deafening noise. The shepherd blew his whistle loudly, startling the wolf. Fang realized he was trapped. With so many sheep and the shepherd running toward him, he had no choice but to flee back into the forest. Woolly ran back to his mother, shaking. "I'm sorry. I should never have trusted the wolf," he said. Bella smiled kindly. "Remember, little one, not everyone who is friendly is your friend. Always stay close to your flock." The shepherd patted Woolly's head. "You're safe now, but never wander off alone again," he warned. From that day on, the sheep always stayed together, watching out for each other. They knew that being clever and united kept them safe. Deep in the forest, Fang sat by himself, grumbling. "Sheep are smarter than I thought. Maybe I need a new plan." But he knew he would have to be even more cunning next time.